Student, you were saying that how Ratan was thinking that the new tenant was a smuggler because he did not have a lot of things that he has brought with him. He had just brought few things with him, and his appearance actually made Ratan very suspicious about the new tenant. When everything was taken upstairs, and it took only 2 trips in the lift and one up the stairs, and the furniture was dumped with a thud on the floor, how meager it looked. So actually, Ratan is actually narrating you everything, what happens when the narrator's things were being carried out onto the roof, onto his floor, and how it took only 2 trips to just carry out all of his things into his room, and only the furniture was carried out through the steps, and that was ultimately bumped into the wall, and it just broke out. Dumped means when something is bumped with जब कोई चीज किसी से टकरा जाता है, how that furniture was dumped into the wall with a sound of thud when it was being carried out to the floor. And at that time it looked very meager. Meager means of a very bad or a low quality. How ridiculously small. Ratan also thought that furniture was very small. Ratan thought of the other drawing rooms in the building, the one in 2A, Bhaskar's, with its large chairs and all those books. So actually, students, Ratan was now started to compare the new tenant with those who were already living there, and he was thinking that those persons have so many furniture and the quality of their furniture is so good. Just take the example of the Bhaskars. He has such a large chair and all those books that he has, but in this new tenant's house he has nothing. And what about the drawing room in Gopi's house? In the new tenant's drawing room there is nothing to keep, but he started to compare with the drawing room of other person who were already living there. Drawing room of Bhaskar and the drawing room of Gopi, they have so many things in their drawing room. Gopi's house was where he was living in 4B, just next door. How beautiful it was, how it with its red carpet where your feet went right in, and huge sofas and the big TV set that needed 6 men to carry it up. So it is just Ratan is explaining you how many things they have, what quality of things they have. They can fill their whole drawing room with the things they have, and actually the big TV that Gopi's drawing room has, that needed almost 6 men to carry it up. It is so big, but this new tenant has nothing.